Hi guys! This is Demi and welcome back to my channel! For this month, I decided to make a series of video about writing and hopefully it could help my fellow aspiring writers. By the way, if you still don't know who I am, ako nga pala si Anak ni Rizal from Wattpad. I already have 4 published books under PSICOM'S Publishing. I want to help other writers, especially those beginners na nagsisimula pa lang. Yung mga aspiring writers na gustong magsulat pero hindi nila alam kung paano magsisimula. So again, hopefully this video will help you. Before we begin, make sure you're already subscribed and don't forget to hit the bell to notify you for the future videos. So alright, let's begin! Don't do these 5 mistakes if you want to be a successful writer. Number 1. Thinking that you will be famous and rich. Because you might not be. If you want to be a successful writer, don't expect that when you hit the publish button, you'll be successful instantly. When you are just beginning, don't expect too much about the future recognitions that you might get. Just focus on your craft, which is now at the moment, and the only competition you're in is with yourself. Ask yourself, why are you writing? Is it all because about fame and money? Why? If yes, I don't blame you. Kung yan talaga ang pangarap mo, ang maging famous. But you see, in order to be a successful writer, you have to love first the art of writing itself. You have to pay the price. And when you do, fame and money will follow. Mistake number 2. You are not reading enough. Okay, I don't know if there's a writer out there who doesn't read. Meron ba? Of course, in order to be a better writer, you have to read. For someone like me who doesn't have formal writing education, natuto lang ako sa pagbabasa ng gawa ng ibang author. And they basically taught me how to properly write. There are questions to me like, paano raw mag-establish ng isang scene sa isang story? Well, the problem is siguro they're lacking of imagination. But the solution is reading, researching. Because reading, it widens our imagination. Mistake number 3. You are not writing to practice your craft. It's quite ironic because how can you become a better writer if you are not writing? Seriously, you have to write every day. Kahit ano, blog, diary, journal, write something. Meron ding sakit yung karamihang writer and guilty ako doon. Yung sinasabi nila na magsusulat sila pero hindi na nila nagagawa. Minsan, ganyan ako. Pero, nilalabanan ko yung sarili ko. Marami kasing writers yung ini-scam yung sarili nila. Mag-update na raw sila bukas, mamaya. Pero di nila nagawa. Labanan natin to. Don't talk too much. Sit down and write that story. Mistake number 4. You are afraid of rejection. Someone told me she doesn't want to publish her work online because natatakot siya paano raw kung hindi magustuhan ng ibang tao yung work niya. I think lahat naman tayo at some point of our lives makakaranas ng rejection. Don't expect na lahat ng tao magugustuhan ng gawa mo. But don't worry because there will be people na magugustuhan yung gawa mo at susuportahan ka. Rejection is a natural process of life. Think of those great writers like J.K. Rowling. How many times ba siyang na-reject? Imagine kung nag-give up siya. Di wala sanang Harry Potter ngayon. The bottom line is, don't be afraid of rejection and keep writing. Last but not the least, mistake number 5. You are not open to criticism. Like rejection, natural lang din na darating sa punto na may mangki-criticize sa'yo. And it's up to you kung paano mo yun i-handle. You'll never be successful if you are blinded by your own ego. From time to time, you need to assess yourself. Be careful din kung ano yung mga i-accept mong criticism para improve ka. And don't forget to listen to your own inner voice. And that's it. That's 5 mistakes you need to avoid in order to be a successful writer. And don't forget, we all have different definition of success. First things first, you have to define the meaning of success to you. Ano ba ang kahulugan ng pagiging successful para sa'yo. Iba-iba kasi yun eh. Pwede kasi sa iba, successful writer na sila pag nakatapos sila ng isang novel. Pwede naman sa iba, successful silang writer kapag nakapag-inspire sila ng tao, and so forth. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope may naitulong ako at may natutunan kayo. Are you an aspiring writer? Comment down below if you have any more questions. Stay tuned for more videos about writing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much again for watching. This is Demi, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!